This video shares how Gemini VEO3 empowers travel agents, and I'm Joni Ogg. AI and consumer expectations has put the travel industry in a constant state of change. But rather than replace travel agents, AI will simply empower them. One way travel agents are benefiting by generative AI is with the variety of text-to-video tools. While they are fun to make, they just don't have that professional quality that one wants to represent them. However, enter Gemini's VEO3, released on May 20th, 2025. This is Google's revolutionary text-to-video application, and there's really nothing like it. Traditionally, travel agents relied on static images, brochures, and often their vivid description to paint a picture of a dream vacation. While effective to a degree, these methods often fall short of truly immersing potential travelers in the destination. Gemini VEO3 shatters these limitations by offering the unprecedented ability to create high-quality, fully immersive video content with synchronized audio including dialogue, sound effects, and music directly from text prompts. Google's latest breakthrough in AI video generation promises to be a game changer for travel agents, fundamentally transforming how they inspire, inform, and ultimately convert clients. Imagine discussing a client's interest in a Tuscan vineyard tour with the Gemini VEO3. They won't just describe the rolling hills and charming villages, they can instantly generate a cinematic video. This video could feature a drone shot sweeping over rows of grapevines, the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze, the clinking of wine glasses, and even a voiceover describing the unique flavors of the region's Chianti. This level of sensory engagement is simply unattainable with traditional marketing collateral. The impact on the travel agent's ability to motivate clients is profound. No longer limited by stock footage or the prohibitive cost of professional video production, agents can now personalize the travel experience like never before. Instead of generic destination videos, they can create visual narratives tailored to each client's specific interests, budget, and desired activities. A client interested in adventure travel to Costa Rica might receive a video showcasing exhilarating ziplining through a rainforest, whitewater rafting, surfing, and the vibrant sounds of exotic birds, all generated on the fly. This hyper-personalization fosters a deeper connection with the client, building trust and excitement, and significantly increasing the likelihood of booking. Furthermore, Gemini VEO3's ability to generate dialogue with accurate lip syncing opens up entirely new avenues for engagement. Travel agents could create short, informative video snippets featuring virtual tour guides, providing insights into local customs, recommended restaurants, or hidden gems. This not only enhances the pre-trip excitement, but also positions the travel agent as a true expert and a valuable resource, extending their role beyond simple booking. Here are a number of ways that travel agents can use VEO3 effectively. By creating immersive destination content, generate realistic videos showcasing various aspects of a destination, which might include bustling markets, serene beaches, historical landmarks, and vibrant nightlife. This will allow potential clients to virtually experience the destination. And how about producing personalized itinerary videos? Create short, customized video snippets for individual clients, highlighting specific experiences, hotels, and activities from their proposed itinerary. How about developing engaging short-form social media ads? You can produce eye-catching short-form videos for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, featuring dream destinations, unique travel experiences, or promotional offers. And you can showcase unique travel, like niches, generate videos for specialized tours such as culinary trips, adventure expeditions, wellness retreats, or cultural immersion programs to attract specific audiences. And how about travel safety and tips? You could produce instructional videos showing proper safety procedures, local customs, or travel tips with clear narration and relevant background sounds. This is really a great way to share your niche expertise. And then there's property walkthroughs. You can generate virtual tours of hotels, resorts, or vacation rentals when actual footage isn't available, complete with room ambience and environmental sounds. And don't forget the amenities such as pools, spas, gym, restaurants, and any other important amenity. You could generate testimonials and reviews. Create AI generated testimonials with diverse voices and scenes that showcase positive travel experiences with ethical considerations and clear disclosure, if not actual client testimonials. You can create marketing and social media content. You can produce eye-catching promotional videos for social media that showcase travel experiences with engaging visuals and audio to attract new clients. And travel insurance explanations. You could generate scenarios showing why travel insurance is so important with realistic situations and clear narrated explanations. And then there's adventure activity demonstrations. Create preview videos of activities like hiking trails, water sports, or city tours with appropriate environmental audio to set expectations. These are just some of the ideas and ways that travel agents can use VEO3 effectively, and I'm sure that they're going to spark many others in your creativity. Of course, with any powerful technology comes the need for responsible use. Travel agents will need to ensure that the AI-generated content accurately reflects the reality of the destination and avoids misrepresentation. And transparency about the use of AI in content creation will be crucial in maintaining client trust. However, the potential for enhancing the travel planning experience far outweighs these considerations. Thank you so much for watching this short video, and we hope that you've enjoyed it. If so, just give us a like or a share. And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.